stuff to chew, but we always smiling. But today is like, this is what, day 9 of Vlogmas. And I'm here at yet another restaurant. What is the name again? Liquor Warehouse?
Yeah, Jamaica Liquor Warehouse.
We're at Jamaica Liquor Warehouse for Judah's birthday. It's not a birthday today, but we're getting ready for it.
So what time do you close?
So we got everybody real quick.
Anybody know what time she did that today.
Chilling.
Yeah.
Close late. That's the only one I'm close
I
late.
know it's still, I don't even know. It's really quiet outside.
Nobody knows she just got up and go do it. Do what?
But I'm gonna see how quick this food is.
Dog?
We just chilling.
How long?
But our neck back?
No,
Right
think
now,
about it.
we're having a
Long
conversation.
term. Long term.
Judah
No,
wants
think
some
about
crown
right
in her
now,
neck.
you know, think about future.
We're not growing young.
Working world. She just chop it down.
Exactly. Weave make, wig make. Exactly.
No, but what if she likes this
Come on.
forever? What if she realizes that this cut
have
is
a
life?
wig.
You have a wig. So
you have a wig.
every time you go in the
Why?
There's something called foundation. I can always cover it up.
That's
Why get
Why
it?
Why
You know how you turn them
Why
around.
you cover yourself? Why is
You know how you turn them around the feet. You have a foundation for your neck. Any shirt there weird.
I'm over you guys.
Unless, you see,
Show it, yeah. Pat it back.
Let's get some powder down there. You want to come forward with a knock too? Before the job is done.
So guys, I don't even know what I want to drink, but I think tonight's kind of like a beer kind of night.
here? Can I get the Wi-Fi
I think I don't want.
Jamaica Liquor Warehouse.
Hold on, sir. Hold on. Something on my eye. Hold on. Pardon. I'm not here to my eye.
low-key, good food, that's the person.
Jamaica Warehouse, low key. Can I get a Heineken, please? Thanks, bro.
Good food.
Look at see a sweet blue wine, no? Wine connoisseur.
That's fancy.
Learn from the best, you know. Seattle learn how to taste wine.
Yes, I died.
Mad.
I showed him taking, but he said he sent it to him.
I have to send it to you guys.
You could have given me a little bit more second contact.
So I got that good old Heineken, the green stuff, my green juice. So my pork chop is here.
Nobody know what wine I know?
And I got like the sorrel, sauce,
Her own is my treat.
potatoes.
It is?
Baby told him mine.
You're mad extra.
You know.
The after effects, No. But I'm ready for burner. Only nothing about the after effect, you know what I'm one ready for doodoo. Tell me.
Oh my god. Alright, what's up guys? This is day 10 of Vlogmas. Last night went to that place called Liquor Warehouse or whatever. It was alright. Then we went to Taboo. For those who don't know, it's a go-go club. And for those who don't know what go-go club is, it's a strip club. So pretty much now we are trying to get to church. Trying to get to church. Do that drive. And I'm just having some ice cream. You guys might be wondering why we're in this. And that's because it's that's because it's Jeans Day at church, so it's our first time Judah invite me to our church. But finally. We're in our supermarket and them tell me say we're not supposed to have camera. But my business. This is the vlog life. It's about risks and danger. This is the aisle that you don't like because it's cold on it, so I like this aisle because it's got milk and cheese. Those are my favorite things. Hence ice cream. Like FYI, I remember when I was living in the US, in the summer, I used to buy like this. I said American people can put on weight, you know. I buy the we call it the big old 5-gallon tub for like $5 or whatever. And I kid you not, but they buy like the honeycomb, no, the waffle cone. And literally I would eat like 6 in one go. Like, I just love ice cream, love people ice cream, I know. So I have a question guys, like this is while I go in the supermarket and see 2 young girls and some short shots. You see me? You know, like guys, yeah man, I go look and whatever and 2 body pick them and drop out. Or whatever. You see me? But like, it made me say, how women feel when they want to wear them something. Like, when I feel insecure. Like, sometimes me I wear some little shorts. You see me, like, me I go gym and me I fretted my balls I could drop out, I swear. Guys, I don't know why, but my heart just started race a while ago. Like, Judah parents and Jesus and I see him, Jesus like one of me worship. It's your destiny there. I'm gonna get some Jesus, guys.
Stephen, come now.
Yeah, go send me inside. You guys are afraid. You hear what you listen to? Guys, on Sunday.
And the thing about it, you don't know when it's spot. The silver. Huh?
Hi.
Alright guys, so we pretty much just went to church just now, Judah's parents' church, and to be quite honest,
They got it. Everybody know that the parents are pastors.
it's nothing to be embarrassed about.
It's not embarrassing.
But anyway, we just went to church just now, and it's my kind of church. Reason being, when the church is being spoken in layman, and forgive me if any of you guys here are, you know, Rastas or whatever. But I like that kind of vibe where people just talk to you, you know, share views, and a lot of the stuff that they spoke about today kind of hit with me. A lot of real Jamaicans will know, like, you know, whenever you went to church as a child and you went back home, your grandmother would ask you, you learned at church today. And I learned a few things like about relationships, especially it was said something like in a come?
Yeah.
We're actually looking for some air to go in the tiles. No, I don't think so. But anyway, we spoke about coming second in your relationship, meaning that you put yourself second, so automatically the person is first. And if the other person does the same thing, then of course both of y'all will be first place. And that was kind of interesting too. It was really interesting. But yeah, now we're trying to get some air into the tiles. And okay, yeah, there's an air pump right there.
Which side?
This one. I'm just going to do it to all lights. So it uses coins, really? I like that. So there's a air pump here, and it uses coins like in the US. I like that because that way, whenever the pump is damaged, we don't have to worry about not getting the pump. Yeah, guys, I might not be a little bit in tune with you guys when I'm talking, but that air pump just now, I like that because normally in Jamaica, like the gas stations, is really hard to find an air pump because what happens is that people use the air pumps, they break it, and the gas station doesn't want to pay for it anymore. So that one you have to pay for $10, which is nothing. You know, at the end of the day, they can pay for repairs. So I think that's really cool. But the sucky part about that air pump just now was that it didn't have like a pressure regulator. So I don't even know how much pressure went in the tire, or even if it's a scammer air pump, probably it just is up to and not really letting no air in the car. I don't know. But that's at the pre right now. We're heading to Marketplace and Judah's driving like a bad mofo. Me? Feel like we are jerk up, guys. Oh God. Alright, so we pretty much just got to Marketplace. Judah wanted to change, but it don't make no sense because everybody dressed like a plain Jane, so that's what we're doing right now. Where we going? Where we going to eat?
Beirut. Yeah.
Oh, I've heard of Beirut, guys, but I've never had food from there. What cuisine do they got there?
It's an Indian cuisine.
So, we're about to go there to eat some dal, maybe, and some naan bread.
My mom's gonna enjoy that because, you know, she mixed.
Me too. For me, I'm a little bit mixed as well, guys. I'm half African and sometimes Caucasian as well. But that never came out in my development much. So I'm joking. I'm mixed though. I'm mixed black man and Cuban. I'm Cuban.
Yeah, you told me this.
Yeah, so that's why sometimes she call me papi. So we're here, Beirut above, but we don't see them, so we're just searching. I'm getting so used to this being just talking to a camera, to be quite honest. I don't even care if people looking at me and stuff.
Where you at, Ma? Oh, you're at Saffron.
Oh,
There's Saffron.
that's where I took my mom last time. Remember when I took her to Fromage? So like here in the marketplace, there's like many different kind of restaurants. Oh, we're eating at Saffron instead?
Saffron is actually Indian cuisine and it goes to the Mediterranean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're eating at Saffron. Just to give you guys a little vibe. And here feels like a little Italy, right? Kinda. In New York, little Italy. And she leaving me hanging. Why you leaving me hanging, babe?
Because I want some food. Let's go home.
Wow.
So does the birthday girl get? Yeah.
So here we are at Saffron.
See what I want.
Destiny is too cute, I swear. Yeah, but for those of you guys gonna keep on saying, oh, you guys don't eat out, don't cook at home. I know. Sega sometimes.
What's that one?
Guys, the first thing she looks for is Wi-Fi. Guys, I want to try. You know, guys know I love naan. So plain naan is $2.25 and buttered naan is $2.50. From the day I saw one that they really are charging $25 for little chiffon butter. Guys, this might be stupid, but as soon as we see the goblet, I start thinking about when they poisoned Joffrey. They poisoned Joffrey in Game of Thrones. Babe, that's it now?
People poison me?
Guys, it was nice, no? So guys, unfortunately Judah and I have a similar taste in food. So I wanted the shrimp Mangalorean curry. She wants the same thing, so I guess I'm gonna go with shrimp korma.
No, I wanted the chipmunk glory.
No, you ordered that, but I'm saying, what should I go with? The shrimp korma? Yeah, shrimp korma.
Yo, every time I look at the camera, I forget used to this stuff.
The haircut is like, I find this goblet so fascinating. Feasters for me. Cheers to love, nature, and adaptation. Oh, jeez, look at this naan bread, guys. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh wow. Jesus. I just love the color of Indian food. It's just so nice. And over there we have Judah's mom, who is the translator
Ma,
for today's meal.
you're the translator.
So what are we having?
Encourage sauce, and also I'm gonna have my roti and basmati rice. Destiny is having her chicken sauce and also her cheese.
Naan. Yeah.
And Daddy is having his red curry sauce. Red one. Not sure what he's having with that. What are you having, Stephen?
Oh my gosh.
I forgot.
I forgot it. It has cashews in there.
Yeah, shrimp and cashew and nut.
Kuma. It's kuma?
Kuma sauce.
Kuma sauce, exactly.
Is this everything? Is this everything?
Yours is missing.
Yours is missing?
Is this, that's mine. I think Gabriel's missing. What's this?
Guys, I wouldn't even understand how much I love naan. Jeez, it's so... I don't even understand. Wow, this is just so good. Wow.
No, not shows like that. But explain the words. With my friends. Red fried rice?
Wow. Babe, can you taste my shrimp? Guys, listen. The food, this, what do you call this? Some other, the nut of the kuma shrimp. It is so good. I mean, I'm a cashew fan anyway, but it's really, really good. Everything is just right.
That's what you're having?
I'm gonna go eat more. Guys, light gone. But this reminds me of the French restaurant that they have, where you eat in the dark. and it enhances your eating experience because the taste buds are at work.
Yeah, the whole market space is old.
Yeah. It's romantic. Huh? Guys, like come back and Judah start clap. You know when Jamaican play land? I think last time I found that niggeritis was something to do with ethnic food or with cholesterol, but I don't think it's that, you know. I think it's all food. You know what I see? She have on that sticker because she tell herself that she's a star.
My little sister gave me the sticker, guys. Bye. But yes, I want to see Crystal.
In my face.
TV.
Wow. Guys, the worst part is that it's something we're sitting on. It's soft like couch. Like when I lay down on it, you know, so when people probably fart on it, so I'm sorry.
It's gonna drop.
Let's do this pre-birthday cake. What is it?
White chocolate cake.
Man. Alright guys, so that was like really good. The food at that place was like spectacular. That was actually my very first dinner with Judah's family. So that was really cool. As always, mom's really hospitable. And everyone was like just really cool. I think it's gonna be the end of this vlog. Tomorrow we're gonna be doing something. So I mean, by the time these vlogs go up, it's gonna already be Judah's birthday because today's the 10th and her birthday is tomorrow. So you guys remember to drop a lot of happy birthdays and all that stuff. I'm not gonna drop one with that because obviously you guys love Judah more than you love me.
Aww.
Like,
hi guys.
Like legit. Like every time who did I talk to? Did I talk to Marley? On my Snapchat. I think it was yesterday morning or this morning. And she was like, listen, she not gonna pick on my side ever because it's girl power unless me start crying. So I said to Marley, I'm like, Marley, Judah beat me.
Ha ha ha. Where? Where? Look at me.
In places where nobody can see, guys. She never beat my neck or anywhere else. I can't really show, you know.
Yeah, right. If I beat you, you don't like it, boy.
Right now, I don't know. Right now, I really don't. Guys, remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. I always remember to keep the link.
All I am is a man.